My name is Carla. I came across Charissa quite by accident, but I was curious about her Pillars of Plenty workshop. It is quite hard to find a Christian business mentor, especially for women, so I joined almost immediately. The training was for a week and it was really worth the money and the effort. I'm a Christian and my business is digital marketing for nonprofits and local businesses, but I was struggling. This was supposed to be my year to really concentrate on making my business a solid career choice and not just a hobby. But I was getting really tired because I was doing it on my own. Then came Carissa. Because of her, I had a 3% mindset shift in the right direction. I realized that number one, I wasn't putting God into my business. I was asking God to bless it, but I was also keeping him at arm's length. I wanted to do things on my own, just like a toddler. This one thing has changed my mindset so much. If you're having trouble making headway in your business, you really need to join one of Charissa's services. You will start to notice that unbiblical lies that you are believing that are restricting your success. And she has so much more to share than what I just told you that will affect your business mindset. There are so many lies that we start believing when we don't include God and His Word in our business. Join Carissa and she will coach you towards a biblical business mindset. Make this year your year of success.